there, my name is Francis R. Jainang, 19 years old from Kabungaan, Villabal, Leyte, Section Delta. Now, I will explain how the fine-tuning of the universe can point to the existence of the supernatural being, God. Scientists discovered that the universe operates under extremely precise physical constants such as gravity, the speed of light, and the strength of electromagnetic forces. Even the smallest change in these values could make life impossible. Stars would not form properly, planets could not exist, and the living organisms would never develop. This scientific finding is called the fine-tuning of the universe. The precision seen in the universe suggests that it did not happen randomly because the conditions needed for life are incredibly exact and balanced. Now, to illustrate this or to prove this, I have an example here. A radio player. This radio player only works properly when all its parts are properly arranged and tuned to the right frequency. Now, if one wire is missing if this wire is missing that produces its main power, this radio would not make a noise. Let's prove it. I'll pull this off. Let's see if this radio that has a missing part will make a noise. Let's turn the volume to its max part and max volume. It did not make a noise because one part is missing, which is its main power. Now let's put this wire that produces its main power back. Will this radio make a noise? Yes. The radio is now working. It's now producing noise. Now what will happen if the radio is not in its proper frequency? When the radio is not in its proper frequency, it will only produce a static noise, and you cannot hear the desired channel that you want to hear. Now what if I adjust this tuning to its right frequency? What will happen?
Lingon mayo pa'y magkanadanan lang kung sa rin na ako kung sa akong naabot kay sa
The radio,
akong kinabuhi. Though yes, na
I believe that the radio is now in its what channel is this? But the DJ is Papa Joe. Now, because I adjusted the proper tuning to its right frequency, it does not produce any static noise because it is now perfectly in the right frequency to your desired channel that you want to hear. Now, the same idea applies to the universe. The laws of nature appear carefully calibrated so life can exist. Just as the functioning of this radio player, it suggests the work of an intelligent maker. The order and precision of the universe can also suggest the presence of supernatural designer or creator behind it all. Sex assigned at birth can be objected to because biological sex is not simply assigned by personal opinion or social preference. Rather, it is scientifically identified through observable biological characteristics. At birth, medical professionals examine physical reproductive anatomy to determine whether the child is male or female. This observation is further supported by the biological factors such as the chromosomes, the hormones, reproductive systems, and the genetic makeup. Now, in the case of chromosomes, men possess XY chromosomes, while the females possess XX chromosomes. These biological traits develop naturally before birth and exist independently of human decision. Because of this, many people argue that the term assigned may be misleading since it can imply that sex is chosen or arbitrarily given instead of biologically recognized through science and biology. Now, to prove this point, I have a physical example here. I have a pair of shoes specifically for the left foot and the right foot. Each shoe already has a structure or shape and purpose that identifies where it properly belongs. A person examining the shoes does not randomly assign which one is for the left foot and for the right foot. Instead, they simply recognize the design that already exists. If the shoe were switched, do you think it would properly be comfortable to your feet, or it will be comfortable to anyone who's wearing it? No, because their structure was made for a specific function or a specific structure. Now, can you imagine if I wear this right shoe to my left foot? Do you think I will be able to walk comfortably? Of course no, because this right shoe is designed for my right foot. Now, it's just the same thing as the left shoe. Do you think that I will be able to be comfortable if I wear this left shoe to my right foot? Do you think? No, I will not be able to wear them comfortably if they were be switched. Now, in the same way, biological sex is identified through the body's natural physical and genetic characteristics. Doctors or any person, the LGBTQIA+, any professionals, any person does not invent or create someone's sex at birth. The doctors, they observe the biological traits or that this person or the person already present in their human body. The scientific fields such as the genetic anatomy and reproductive biology continue to support the understanding that biological sex is rooted in objective physical reality and rather than personal assignment. Thank you.